Hey, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking Channel. It's Darren, and I'm excited today. My crowd cow order came in, and I've got my Wagyu, domestic Wagyu, chuck eye steaks that I'm going to cook up, and also my Wagyu sirloin tip steak I'm going to cook up. So, can't wait for this. I'll be right back.
Smoking, grilling, getting hot and hotter, sous vide and chilling from fire and water.
All right, if you watch the crowd cow unboxing video and the iCard up here, you'll kind of see what I got the other day from Crowd Cow, my first order from them. And these awesome marbled chuck eye steaks. They're 10 ounces a piece, so they're not huge, but they're thick. They're about 1.5 to 2 inches thick. They're well marbled. You probably can't see it too well because I got them vacuumed and seasoned already. Because I did that overnight so they could do a dry brine, but you could probably see that how marbled they are. But we are going to sous vide these, and I also got this sirloin tip. It's a domestic Wagyu sirloin tip as well. Probably going to take a little bit longer for this to get tender, but it is kind of thin. So I'm going to do them both at 131, and for about two hours or so on these, and I might leave this in for another half hour just to see how this turns out. This is going to be kind of a test. They only had one of these, so I just ordered it just to try it out more than anything. So all right, guys, I got the sous vide bath heating up to 131. We're going to drop these in for about 2 hours. Then we're going to sear them up and give them a taste. I'm excited. All right, guys, I pulled these out of the sous vide. Man, they look pretty good. They feel very, very juicy. I don't know if that's, they feel a lot more, just in my hand when I took them out of the bag, they feel a lot more tender than any other ribeye steaks I've had before. So I can really tell that marbling from them being Wagyu is going to be pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead, pat them dry really well. Let me give you a close-up. Go ahead and give you a close-up, see how those look. They don't look too bad coming out of the sous vide. They usually look a little bit worse than that. I've been in there almost 2 hours. But I'm going to sear them with some avocado oil on the Blackstone griddle. My son's in a hurry. I'm going to season these up with a little bit of the Atlanta Grill Company's Argentinian steak. And then we're going to toss them on the Blackstone. And I'll be right back. All right, all my Blackstone is up to temp. Putting my avocado oil down. Avocado oil is a very high smoke point oil, so I love to sear with it. Putting my chuck eyes down. I'm going to let them sear for about a minute or so on each side. Try to get a little bit more of that oil underneath there. Check it out there. I'm going to put a little oil on top as well, just so when I flip these that they got a decent amount of oil on them. I want to get that nice Maillard reaction with the sear. So about a minute there, flip them over. Let them cook up a little bit more on this side. Get that nice Maillard reaction on the sear. Flip them over one more time just to make sure we got that proper sear on there. These are looking really good, smelling really good. Can't wait to get them off onto a plate and try them out. All right, I'll be right back. Well, here you have it, guys. Wagyu, domestic Wagyu chuck eye. I'm going to cut this bad boy right in half. So you can see that. Oh, look at that. Well, that's medium rare. I'll take a piece of this right here in the end here. Got a piece of the fat, but man, that's good. It is a cross between a ribeye and a chuck roast, that's for sure. It's much more flavorful than any chuck roast I've had or any ribeye. And that's got to be from that marbled fat in there. You look at that. Wow. Much beefier flavor, that's for sure. Well, there you go. I'm going to take a bite of this the sirloin tip steak. Very thin, not as much fat. You can see that. Still considered medium rare. A little more chewy, but still a lot more flavorful than a regular sirloin tip. That's for sure. Probably could have used another half hour or an hour in the sous vide bath, but it's a lot more flavorful than any sirloin tip that was a choice or prime that I've had. So check it out, guys. Crowd Cow, Wagyu, chuck eye steaks. Well worth it. I'm going to go cut these up so my family can eat. Thanks for watching. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Follow us on the Fire and Water Cooking Podcast. Check out Crowd Cow. I'll see you on the next video.